Hey, we need AT. Hey, let's get AT on the truck.
Get off my back.
Where? Right there?
Get off my back.
Here you go. Here you go. Bring it up. AT coming in.
You got it.
Oh! Damn! Keep that handy. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Milsim Uncut, where I take a battle from a big Milsim op and give it to you from start to finish without any breaks in between. You know, a lot of YouTubers, including myself, do all the fancy edits and all the annotations, but this one is just pure, raw Milsim. This one takes us to Broken Home number 4 back in 2015. With me is my squad mate Patrick, who's running in the heavy gunner or RPG role. Also have David over there with the sniper rifle, and then Lamar with support gun. Myself, I'm filling in the medic role. We've actually just respawned back in and are ready to take the battle when all heck breaks loose at Pegasus Bridge.
Hey, come, get them to move that POV down there. Their POV down, let it go so we can push.
Yeah. Where can we? Hey, I'm gonna go to this concrete. I'm gonna go to this concrete thing. I know. Chin up. Stay tight here. They're right down the hill. They're down that way and right over here both. Hey, can you push up to where that guy is, David? This guy up here? Where you just call for medic? Be low. Stay low. Go to the concrete.
Get it tight. It's in the zipper.
It's in the zipper?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Hold tight. They are on me.
Oh, yeah.
Big time.
Oh.
Hang on.
I can see the light, Jonathan. I'm not going to go into it, though.
Don't go in the light.
I'm not going into it.
Don't go in the light. Don't do it.
Right.
There are no 72 virgins. It's a lie. It's all a lie. All right, you're back in, man. Stay low. They got a beat on us big time. Look at them all up there. Holy.
You got the guy shot me. If you stand up, you right there. Don't stand up.
All right.
Alright. I'm gonna probably fall back. If you want to fall back, I'll wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna peel back. Okay, David, coming to you. Okay.
3,
2, 1, peeling. All right, clear. Go.
Where are you shooting?
They're straight out on that. See where the smoke is?
Whoa. Is that guy right there?
That is a bad guy.
Hey, to the left of the POV in the woods right here.
Are you hit?
I don't see a red one, Mark.
On your. There he is. Okay, cool. Sorry. Yo. Oh, yeah, let me get you in.
Guys coming out of the woods.
Yeah.
Okay, hold tight. I'll get you.
That's a guy who's just killed, too.
Really? All right, hold tight. Hang tight. Right there?
Yeah, a little close.
I don't see shit. I see dead rags.
Well,
All right, where are you? Back in the middle? Oh, I see it.
Hey, you up front!
All right, make a charm. Get down, kneel.
everybody was yelling their dead. Well, a couple of them jumped out of there.
Yeah, there you go.
Nothing. Hey guys, they're right around this bend over here. Like 50 feet max, 60. Yeah, right there. Good shot, good, good, good. Good effect, good effect. Right here, just like 50 feet out. Just right in that area, right there. Stay low, stay low. Get on it, get on it. Run it, run it.
Right enough.
Yes. Stay low, stay low. All right, we're back in.
Come on, right there.
See him, I see him. Up higher too. Lower, lower, yeah. Reload. I'm over your shoulder. Hey, Bo, is he down? Is he? Right there where that green laser is, you see him? Okay, good.
This just quit. I gotta go get something else.
All right. Thank you.
And on that cliffhanger, we're going to stay there and see what happens with me and the rest of the squad as we're getting picked away during this final pivotal battle here at Pegasus Bridge. If you guys want to see the rest of this episode, or if you like this format or you don't like the format, let me know down there in the comment section below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. And if you do like it, hit that old share button. I really appreciate it a bunch. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Airsoftology.